Okay, so it's this time of the week again where I get to share my analytics with you. Last week was the special one where I had a video go completely viral, but this one is also pretty good. So I'm going to share what special happened this week as well. And if you want to check the viral video one, I'll have a playlist with all of my analytic videos. So with that being said, let's dive straight into it and I'll show you exactly what happened this week. Okay, so when you go on YouTube Studio, this is what you see. So this is my last video, which already has 8 views and is ranking first. So hopefully it will also be a viral video, but it's been up for only 5 hours and 20 minutes. So we don't know yet. And I got 2 comments. It says 4 because I responded to both of them. So with that said, if we go to analytics, and we go to the last 7 days because that's what we were looking for, it says that we gained about the same subscribers as the previous 7 days, which is incredible because the previous 7 days were the ones where I got that viral video. So it's keeping up. I got 63 views in the last 48 hours, and I've got 59 subscribers, which is amazing because when you see for ages I lost like I didn't get many subscribers, and I've got 59 now. Like I stayed stuck at 30 or so for a long time, or struggled to get there, and I pretty much gained that amount. So as we can see, it's been slow and then it's just been going up and up and up, so that's pretty good. This is the last 28 days, but if we look past it and we go for a lifetime, then it's even more drastic. I gained a couple here, 4, 7, 13. This is months, and then it's just been ramping up from here. 23, so 30 I got on the 26th of November. It's now the 12th of December, so it's not even been a month and I've just gained all of that. So that's amazing, and hopefully it carries on like that. Now, that doesn't mean that I'm on track for my goal, which is to get monetized by the 15th of April, because I would need to get even more subscribers, but still, it's good. So, other than that, the watch time has been going down, and the views as well, which is normal because I had that viral video. But if we look at the last 28 days, what's truly amazing is it's the last 28 days, I gained 36 subscribers. That's like more than I got more than 1 subscriber per day, which is insane. So it's 36 subscribers is amazing, and I almost said I couldn't ask for more, but yes, I want more. So, but still, it's good. We're getting somewhere. The channel is growing, and it's not growing as fast as I would like, but still we're getting somewhere, and hopefully I'll have some more viral videos which do help because I need more subscribers and watch time. Speaking of which, since the goal is to get monetized by the 15th of April, I should probably go down and go to the eligibility, the monetized tab. So this is in monetization. So I've got 59 subscribers out of 1,000 that I need, and I got 40 valid public watch hours in the last 365 days out of 4,000. So I need quite a lot more. It also starts with a 0, but I need to add 2 more. So I'll need some more, quote unquote viral videos, which would be amazing. So all of that is going well, and this is as of December the 7th. It's now the 12th because YouTube takes a bit of time in order to get this part up to date, because they need to check that it's real subscribers, real watch time, and so on, or whatever they're checking. But that's what it says when you click on that. That's, it's taking longer than others. So with that said, if I go back to my dashboard, this is number 1. So I had a video go viral. Here's what I learned. So this is my video of telling you what I watched, what was how it's been going, like what I learned from that viral video. It's in the title. So if you haven't watched that, it's out when you're watching this video. So you should probably watch it because there's some things that I learned, and also it helps me. So these are the things that if we go to content, and if I put myself out of here, so if we look at that, I've got so this is the last video, so it's not really relevant that I got 8 views because it's just out. And the previous one got 43 views and 3 comments, which means I didn't answer one of the comments, so I'll have to check that out. I'm sure I miss out sometimes because I click on that and maybe people delete their comments or something, but sometimes I don't see the comments. So if I don't answer to you, it's not because I don't want to, it's just that I have no choice. So the analytics, this one was pretty good because I gained 3 subscribers and the watch time has been going up, and I've got 2 views in the last hour. So that's good. And the one previous to that also went pretty well, and the last 2 videos, like that one was the viral one, this one was the one right after, which I got 161 subscribers. Like if I can get in that range all the time, like I would be monetized, like if all my videos did that. Now obviously I'm far from that, but still, if I can ramp up, at the beginning I was getting 1 to 2 views per video. Now I'm getting more in the average of above 40 to 50 views per video most of the time. So it's getting better, and I just need to keep on doubling that until I get to that area all the time. Because getting 60 comments is amazing. Like I say that, and if you're a regular viewer, you'll know that in every video I say that when you comment, it means the world to me. And I've been getting a bit more comments, not crazy amounts, but when I got those comments, like 60, that means it's 30 because I answer all of them. So 30 comments, like that was amazing. And like I'm getting comments. I used to not get any comments. And since then, like I've always gotten comments on every single one of my videos. Those were the 2 big ones, so 16. You have to remind you that it's divided by 2, but still 8, 3, which is funny because I should answer all of them, but maybe the comment got deleted or something, and then 4. So I'm getting some comments, so every time it makes me smile. So if you leave a comment, it would help. And let me know what you want to see more on those analytic videos, which I post once a week. I filmed them on Friday, post them on Monday, but I would really like to know if you want to know more. Like I'm an open book, so if you want to learn anything, or just tell me what videos you want to see next, even if it's not analytics videos, because I always try to do that. And since the community is starting to grow a little bit, I'm nothing crazy, but it's still growing. And since you're one of the people that are here at the beginning stages, like, and you engage, well, that means a lot to me, and hopefully I can make videos that you enjoy. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video on Wednesday. Bye for now.